Hey guys, just got back from the post office. I got something new and exciting. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it is. Say hello to the 2018 BURTON Deep Thinker snowboard, size 157 wide. My first wide board. She is beautiful. Can't wait to bring her on to Tahoe. This board is really good with powder. A lot of free riders use this. The artwork is amazing by a legendary skateboarder, Mark Gonzalez. So yeah. Woo! So pumped to test this out. So excited. You guys don't even know. Gorgeous. I think I might just sleep with this one tonight. It's a camber board, and then it flattens out on the tip. My heart is racing right now for this board. So fucking excited. This is Danny Davis's board, his pro board.